In this presentation, we will explore the process of setting up continuous integration and continuous deployment, also known as CI/CD, for Node.js projects. Let's dive in to learn how to automate and streamline your development workflow. So, what exactly is CI/CD? Let's break it down. Continuous integration, or CI, is the automated process of frequently merging code changes from multiple developers into a central repository. It also involves running automated tests to catch integration issues early. Continuous deployment, or CD, is an automated deployment pipeline that releases tested code changes to production environments. It ensures that your application is always up to date with the latest features and bug fixes. Implementing CI/CD offers numerous benefits. First, it leads to faster delivery by reducing manual work and speeding up deployment cycles. Second, it ensures better quality because continuous testing catches bugs early on, before they affect the production environment. Third, developers receive quick feedback on their code changes and integration issues. Finally, CI/CD reduces risk by making deployments smaller and more frequent, which minimizes the impact of potential failures. Before setting up CI/CD, it's important to have a well-organized Node.js project structure. A typical structure includes a root directory containing the Package.json and PackageLock.json files, src and test directories, a gitignore file, a readme.md file, and a Docker file. The key files for CI/CD are Package.json, which manages dependencies and scripts, the test directory, which contains automated test suites, and the Docker file, which defines the container configuration. The Package.json file plays a crucial role in CI/CD. You can define essential scripts that automate various tasks. These scripts include start, which initiates the application, test, which runs the test suites, test, coverage, which calculates test coverage, lint, which performs code quality checks, and build, which executes the complete validation process by running linting and tests. Key commands include npm test to run the test suites, npm run lint to check code quality, and npm run build to perform a complete validation. GitHub Actions is a powerful tool for automating CI/CD workflows. Create a YAML file, typically named ci.yml, in the .github/workflows directory of your repository. This file defines the CI pipeline. The name specifies the pipeline's name, and the on section defines the triggers that initiate the workflow, such as push events for every code commit and pull_request events before merging. The jobs section lists the jobs to be executed, such as the test job that runs on an Ubuntu latest environment. The CI pipeline typically involves several steps. First, the source code is checked out using the Actions checkout at version 3 action. Next, the Node.js environment is set up using the Actions Setup node at version 3 action. Dependencies are then installed using the npm install command. Automated tests are run using the npm test command, and code linting is performed using the npm run lint command. These steps ensure code quality and reliability. Docker is used to containerize the Node.js application, ensuring consistent environments across different stages of the CI/CD pipeline. The Docker file defines the container's configuration. It starts with a base image such as Node, 8 and Alpine. The working directory is set to /app. The Package.json and PackageLock.json files are copied, and dependencies are installed using npm install. The application code is then copied, the port is exposed, and the command to start the application is defined. Docker provides benefits such as consistent environments, easy deployment, scalable applications, and isolated runtime. The deployment pipeline automates the release of tested code to production environments. You can configure GitHub Actions to automatically deploy code upon successful completion of the CI pipeline. For example, the deploy job depends on the test job and runs only if the code is merged into the main branch. The steps in the deployment pipeline include building the Docker image and deploying it to a production environment. Popular deployment platforms include cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and GCP, serverless platforms like Vercel and Netlify, and container registries like Docker Hub. To ensure a successful CI/CD implementation, it's essential to follow best practices. These include writing comprehensive tests, using environment variables, implementing proper logging, monitoring deployment health, and keeping secrets secure. In summary, automate testing and deployment, use GitHub Actions for workflows, Docker ensures consistency, deploy only tested code, and monitor and iterate. Happy deploying! If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.